Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting synchronized anchors, timecode, slate, or a sharp audio spike. Import all camera files plus your external recorder into the same Premiere project. Make sure clip names reveal source. Once done, select matching clips, right-click and choose Merge Clips for timecode or audio, depending on what you have. Do this now to avoid confusion later and to preserve original media, because working non-destructively prevents lost edits and keeps your sync reversible. You'll choose the right sync method based on your recorded metadata. If all devices share timecode, merge clips on timecode for frame-accurate sync. If not, use audio-based merge or the Synchronize command, which compares waveforms. For larger shoots, place clips into a sequence and choose Create Multicam. This lets you switch angles live. Make sure to inspect waveforms and scrub. Slight drift means reevaluate sample rates or use plural eyes-style plugins for stubborn audio discrepancies. You finish by organizing synced assets. Create a dedicated bin, label merged clips, and nest them or enable multicam so you can cut confidently. Once you assemble a short section, export a quick test to confirm a /V alignment on different players. If something goes wrong, if you notice drift or misalignment, recheck audio sample rates and timecode offsets, relaunch merge with a different reference track, or use a specialized sync plugin. This fixes stubborn mismatches without redoing the whole session.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.